Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Right, a nice, smooth, full sound. Now, the next tune we have is called Full of Hot Air. If I could get this loaded up right. And this is where we switch from A flats and just locking in that timing, and watch your dynamic changes. Louds for the Fs, soft for the Ps, forte, piano. And moving on to Danza Giovanni. Gentle, flowing. The rain is kicking in. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.